Are you ready to go shopping on
I
Amazon?
found XL double parachute camping hammock. Tree portable with max 1,000 pounds braking capacity.
Alright, so today, Alexa is ordering my makeup. 2018, man. This is the Amazon Echo Dot. I have never owned an Amazon Echo Alexa anything. I am actually pretty anti-Alexa. Not gonna lie, she just kind of freaks me out a little bit. But I thought it would be interesting to see, A, if Alexa can order me makeup, and also what she chooses. Also, do we refer to Alexa as a she? I don't even know. I'm an Alexa noob. I don't know. So I'm gonna have Alexa choose 5 different makeup products for me off of Amazon. We're then gonna come back once they're delivered and see how the products that she chose were. If you're excited for this video and you enjoy while you're watching, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, you can join the Bayrito family and subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. This is happening. Oh, it's cute. For some reason, I thought it was gonna be blue. So I'm gonna get her all powered up, ready to shop, and I will be right back. What? Alexa? She just started talking. All I did was plug it in and I started reading the friggin' manual and she just started talking. Look at her. She already owns this place. Oh, I need the app? Jesus. All right, so while I'm getting this thing set up, I got this idea from one of you guys, so I'm gonna pop in the comment right here, but I just thought this would be such a fun video. By the way, I just filmed a Shadow and Schmooze video on this look, so if you want to see that, it's already live by the time you guys are seeing this, so I'll link it down below.
You've connected to Echo Dot.
Oh, it's HQ time. A little scared, little scared. Alexa, are you okay?
I'm good. I hope you're doing well too.
Alexa, do you like shopping? Alexa.
I don't have an opinion on that.
Alexa, do you like Sephora or Ulta?
I don't have an opinion on that.
Well, get one. Alexa, is the sky blue?
The sky is blue because the molecules of the atmosphere.
All right. Are you ready to go shopping on Amazon?
I found XL double parachute camping hammock. Tree portable with max 1,000 pounds braking capacity. It's $27.51 total including tax. Would you like to buy it?
No. I don't know why she's sending me parachute camping results, but I just got them. Alexa, order me a mascara.
Amazon's choice for mascara is L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Mascara, Carbon Black, 0.26 fluid ounces. It's $6.43 total including tax. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Okay, order placed, and will be delivered by April 12th. See the Alexa app for more details. By the way, I can
She already placed? I'm confused.
No problem. If you change your mind.
Okay, definitely thought she was gonna give me a next step. She ordered it. It is arriving Thursday. I was not expecting that to just go through, so we're gonna have Amazon order me 5 different makeup items. I have no idea what the pricing is gonna be like. We're just gonna go with whatever she picks. So it could be a super pricey product. It could be a drugstore price product like the L'Oreal one. Thank you, Alexa. So here we go. Let's see what good old Alexa orders me to try out. Oh God, she just went on. So let's do 4 more products total. I'm gonna order literally whatever she gets me. We have a mascara. I'm gonna do a foundation. Why is she already listening? Alexa, order me a Is she gonna know what a foundation is? I might be getting like cement or something for a house. Order me a foundation. Do I need to have the app open?
Based on your order history, I found Mineral Face Powder Translucent Loose 0.4 ounces matte set. It's $9.91 total including tax. I also found Burt's Bees Goodness Glows Liquid Foundation. Porcelain.
I don't want to already have. Alexa, order me a new foundation.
Based on your order history, I found
girl.
Min Foundation
I don't
Makeup
want that.
Nappy.
Alexa, stop talking. Alexa, shop for me a new liquid foundation makeup.
Based on your order history, I found Burt's Bees Goodness Glow.
Did she shop for new things? What's happening?
For liquid. Based on your order history. Based on your order history, I found. Based on your order history,
Jeez. Alexa, stop talking. Alexa, stop talking. Why was the mascara so easy? I wasn't even trying. Okay, so she seems to be only wanting to go through my already purchased items. I have no idea why it was so easy to order the mascara when I wasn't even really thinking that was going to go through or trying, but now it seems like she's only getting my past Amazon history instead of shopping for new things. So I'm trying to think how else I can word this. So we're going to get new search results. Browse eyeshadow on Amazon.
I couldn't find a list called eyeshadow on Amazon.
Alexa, search eyeshadow on Amazon.
Based on your order history, I found Elizabeth Mott. Also found Beauty Glazed 35.
Order me a blush on Amazon.
Based on your order history, I found CoverGirl Cheekers Blendable Powder. That's all I can find for blush right now. Check your Alexa app for more options.
Okay, getting a little PO'd.
Your Echo Dot received an important update and must restart.
Are you getting better at shopping or what? According to Google, Alexa can order basically anything Amazon Prime eligible that's sold or fulfilled by Amazon directly. Alexa can draw on your existing order history on Amazon. Yeah, I think we've established that. It says that she can also order new products. If it's something new, Alexa will suggest an Amazon Choice product that meets the description. Okay, so theoretically, I should be able to order new products. Alexa, order a lipstick from Prime now.
I don't understand. Sorry. The top search result for lipstick is ELF Moisturizing Lipstick Ravishing Rose, 0.11 ounce. You can get free delivery between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. today. It's $1.86 total. Would you like to buy it?
Yes. Order foundation from Prime now.
Amazon's choice for foundation is Maybelline Makeup Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation Makeup. It's $7.26 total. Would you like to buy it?
Yes. Order a concealer from Prime now.
Amazon's choice for concealer is NYX Professional Makeup Concealer Wand. Fair, 0.11 ounce. It's $4.28 total. Would you like to buy it?
Yes. Order eyeshadow from Prime now.
The top search result for shadow is Shadow of the Colossus, PlayStation 4.
Order.
I also found Maybelline The Nudes Eyeshadow Palette, 0.34 ounces. It's $9.90 total. Would you like to buy it?
Yes. Order a bronzer from Prime now.
Amazon's choice for bronzer is Physicians Formula Muramura Butter Bronzer. Would you like to buy it?
Yes. Order an eyebrow pencil.
Amazon's choice for eyebrow pencil is L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Definer Pencil, Brunette. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Order placed.
Wow, okay. That was quite the experience. So I just went into my Amazon Now thing. It looks like the shades are somehow correct. I have no idea how they knew that or if it was just totally random and I got lucky. They're gonna deliver it through Prime Now. So Prime Now is almost like Postmates. It delivers the same day if you're in certain cities. So that will be here today, but I'm gonna come back and film the makeup part of this video tomorrow. So we'll see how Alexa did. I feel like with the ordering part of this, there are definitely some things they need to work on. It seemed like she didn't understand a lot of basic commands about just ordering new things or not ordering past products like reorders. And for some reason, it only worked with the Prime Now, not just the regular Amazon app, because I think it didn't have the option to go through my past orders since I haven't ordered anything in those categories on Prime Now before. So I guess I ended up ordering 7 products because I have 1 mascara coming from regular Amazon and then the 6 makeup products coming from Amazon Prime Now. So I will be back once I have the makeup in my hands. All right, so it's now a couple days later. I've got the goods here. So I have no idea how Alexa knew the shade. Yeah, I don't know how they would connect my order history through like Ulta or Walmart with Amazon, but you know, I never know. Who watched the Facebook trials? Maybe it was looking at my past orders and kind of guessing. I've no clue, but she got the shade 112 Natural Ivory, which is my closest shade match in Maybelline Fit Me. I've never ordered Maybelline Fit Me off of Amazon, so that's a little weird. I actually already own a few of these items, but since it was part of the video, I just went ahead and bought them through Amazon. So this isn't like a review or first impression or anything on actual products. So I'm just gonna use products, do a full makeup look, and kind of make them work how I want. So I'm actually gonna mix the Maybelline with the Dewy and Smooth one because I like the Dewy and Smooth version a lot better than the Matte and Poreless. This one looks tragic on my skin, both when I had oily skin and now drier skin. So I'm just doing about half-half and I'm gonna mix these. I also painted my nails between the last time you guys saw me and now. I actually love this color. I find it really hard to find a light pink for fair skin that actually looks like light pink and you can like see it against your skin. I always leave my nail polish and anything I'm wearing down below in the description box. Definitely so far looks better than the Matte and Poreless on its own. I'm just gonna smooth out my forehead with a sponge. Just went literally right in my eyeball. My eyes probably look hella bloodshot right now because this one has something in it. I just poked the crap out of this eye with a sponge. So Alexa ordered me the NYX HD Studio Concealer in the shade Fair. We'll actually see how this shade is because I'm usually the shade Porcelain in this one. I haven't used this concealer in a long time. I don't love this concealer on its own, but I do like the lavender one for mixing in if you need to lighten a concealer. At least I got a new shade though. Oh yeah, that looks pretty crappy. I don't get great coverage with this concealer, and it also creases a crap ton on me. I'm setting my under eyes using a mix of my two go-to powders lately, the Maycheer and then the Physicians Formula one I always use. By the way, in the last 2 days, I have not attempted to use Alexa. I don't even know if she's on right now. I feel like she's just on all the time. I thought I ordered a brow product. Oh, hell yeah, here it is. So we have the Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Brunette. Again, got my shade right. All right, let's try out this brow product. I feel like I've used this. I don't remember what I think of it though. This is one of those brow products that does not have that grip to it that I usually like. It gives you like the blurry kind of look rather than like defined hairs. I feel like that shade is a tiny bit light. I'm gonna take my AOA Go Brow. This is a $1 brow product from Shop Miss A. I just did a whole video trying out a bunch of stuff from there. And this one I've been using almost every day since then. I really like it. It just feels a bit dry, but other than that, like the shade and just the way it holds my brows in place, I really like. A couple of things came in bubble wrap, but only like 2 of the things, not the eyeshadow palette or anything. But this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. Again, also weird because this actually isn't the lightest shade in this. It's the shade Up, but this is the shade that I like. Creeping me out. One of my go-to bronzers. It smells like heaven. It really smells like summer. I'm so ready. Blending it out. This is the Sigma F15 brush, Duo Fiber. So this blush I actually discovered through my Whole Foods makeup video. This is the Mineral Fusion blush in the shade Pale, and I've been reaching for this a lot, and it's a really pretty, just like natural looking blush shade for my skin tone. For highlight, I'm going to take the NARS Fort de France. Here's what it looks like. These highlighters are beautiful. I feel like I need some extra glow today. So I'm going to douse my face in some setting spray. I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus and just go to town here. Really need to figure out a way to hang that thing better than tape. Literally can transform your skin. Like, look how much dewier and better that looks now. So we're going to prime my eyes with my usual MAC Paint Pot. So the eyeshadow palette Alexa ordered me was the Maybelline The Nudes palette. I get so confused by all of the different nudes. I feel like they have 25 different versions of these palettes now. I'm pretty sure I've tried this at some point, but I haven't used this one in a long time either. So I'm gonna start out with this matte taupe shade right here and put that into the crease. This light taupey kind of shade right here looks really pretty, so I'm gonna take that on my finger. It feels a little bit dry. Ooh, that does not look good. Oh man. That has like barely any pigment to it. I'm trying this shade instead right here. These feel very dry. I'm just really building this up with my finger to get some kind of payoff. I'm going with the shade right here in the corner. Cool tone brown. I'm just gonna kind of pack it into the outer V first, and then I'll go and blend it out. I'm gonna go back in with that first blending brush and just blend these edges out. Ooh, that is getting so patchy. Just kind of going back in and adding. I'm gonna try to wet my brush and go back in with that first shade because I really want something to kind of pop on the lid. This one just might be a shadow that needs to be wet. Man. All right, I don't like that shade at all. Let's try this lightest shade. Maybe this one's better. Also looks pretty sheer, but looks a little bit better. Okay, this is a no. This is a hard pass. I'm just gonna run with this whole super smoky thing and go in with this PUR Midnight Diamond. Kind of blend it out and pat it in. That's saving the day. I'm gonna go with the black eyeliner for my waterline. Now I'm gonna go back in with the palette and take the black in here. I'm gonna just put that right underneath the eyeliner. I'm gonna blend that out with the shade that I put in the outer V. So I just put on some liquid liner. I used my Physicians Formula Eye Booster, and then I just went in with a smaller brush and kind of blended out the edges so the line where the gray wasn't as harsh right towards the inner part of my eye. As an inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this AOA Baked Highlighter in the shade Allure. There we go. That's like the icy shade I was looking for. This is the mascara that Alexa ordered me. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. It doesn't look like this is the waterproof version, but when I first started YouTube, actually, this was one of my favorite mascaras. I think I got this recommendation from iHeartMakeup92 back in the day. But I'm excited to use this again because I haven't used this in so long, and I did used to really enjoy this mascara. I remember I used to really like layering it too with other mascaras. It's almost more like lengthening and separating than I remember. Let's go in for a second layer here. Oh yeah, now we're getting some volume. I don't think I'm gonna do false lashes today, so I might even go in for a third layer, really get wild. Definitely not as voluminous as my Too Faced Bare Than Sex, but I feel like I could find a combo layering this that I would really like. I almost feel like I used to like this one a little bit more dried out, so I think I would like it maybe after like a week or two of having this out. Now I'm gonna go in with my normal mascara for my bottom lashes, Wet n Wild Make Length, and then we'll be moving on to lips. So normally if I had an eye look like this going on, like more of a smoky eye, I'd probably pair an eye look like this with more of like a nude calm lip, but Alexa ordered us a red. Ravishing Rose by e.l.f. This is the moisturizing lipstick. I think I'm gonna need a lip liner, so let me grab one of those. I'm gonna try this LA Girl one in the shade Blushing. This might be a tiny bit light, but we'll see. Oh, this looks pretty pink. Let me try and get more red one. Instead, I'm gonna take MAC Brick right now. That shade looks pretty similar. It almost looks more pink. Okay, we're not taking that one either. Attempt number 3. We're gonna try the Catrice Ultimate Stay Liner in the shade Relight My Fire. This one is definitely looks like more of like a true red. Okay, now let's go in with this e.l.f. lipstick. The shade looks really pretty, looks promising. Smells so good. Feels really nice and moisturizing. Like I said, I would probably not wear it with a look like this. I think a nude lip would look a lot better right now, but blame Alexa. So my Amazon bag is now empty. So overall, I would definitely pass on the eyeshadow palette, but as far as the shades and stuff and just the products in selection that she picked, I think she somehow did fairly decent. The shade thing is throwing me off. As far as the whole ordering process through Amazon Alexa, I feel like it could definitely use some work reordering versus ordering new products. So I definitely think that could be fine-tuned a little bit, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video idea. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend. If you're new here, you can join the Bayrito family and subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Alexa, what do you think of my final makeup look?
I don't have an opinion on that.
You're useless.